Steve. Welcome to today's tutorial. This is Victor here. So this tutorial is basically made for iPhone users. That's for people who will not be able to have access to Pixellab on their phone based on the fact they are using an iPhone. So with Canva, you can be able to do the same design somebody who is making use of an Android and also making use of Pixellab can do. So without wasting much time, let's dive into this. But please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment to this video. Right. So the first thing to do here, under your footnote here on the Canva app, you find your home, you have project, you have the plus icon, you have template, you have themes, right? So for you to create a design from scratch without you making use of templates available on Canva, you click on the plus icon, right? So once you click on the plus icon here, you wait for it to load. So the disadvantage between Canva and Pixellab is that Canva works with mobile data, and while Pixellab does not have to wait for mobile data to be able to work with. So if you don't have a mobile data, that's a disadvantage for you on Canva. So for me to create a design from scratch, I'm going to click on this custom size. So custom size is where you create design from scratch without you making use of templates available on Canva, right? So for us to create a normal Instagram size, we just click here. We can search. We can just click on this size options here. We type in our size. So for normal Instagram, it is 1080 by 1080p, 1080 by 1080, and then you can see it here. It's having Instagram post square 1080 by 1080. So that's the normal Instagram post size. So it goes across Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and what have you. So I'm going to click on OK. So now I have my layout, my background created. It's going to give me an option for templates, but then I don't want to make use of templates, right? So I'm going to close that. So this is my background layer, right? So here now I'm going to import my background, the background I want to make use of for this design. So I'm going to click on gallery. This is my gallery here. I'm going to wait for it to load. So I intend to work with this, right? Let's work with this. So I'm going to click on add to page. So now I have added this, right? But now I have to make it my background. So what I need to do is click on this three dot icon by the image and click on it, then scroll down. You see set image as background, click on it, and then you have this image set as your background. So this automatically becomes your background. So the next thing to do here is to scroll to elements, right? Elements are where you find shapes and other designs elements too. So I'm going to work on that shape. So this is shape here. I'm going to click on the second one, which has already been curved, right? I don't want to curve the new one. So I'm going to click on the second one. So I'll select and then select it and then resize it by holding of any of these four circles here. So if you drag it, it resizes on its own, right? So this is it. So that has been made. So Canva also helps you to position your text. As you can see the way I'm moving it around, you can see some stripe lines telling me that this is centralized. So I have these four lines all across this shape that I've just created. So it's showing me that this element is centralized. So I can now leave it, then scroll down to color, right? Select my color. I think I would work with white. So I have white here, right? So that's that for color. I scroll down to transparency, click on transparency, reduce the transparency a little, right? Let's make transparency 30. Okay, so that's that for transparency. I think I have to go back to color. Let me see what this color is going to give me. Let me see what this is going to give. Let's see what this will give. Let's see what this will give. Okay, so let me work with this, right? And resize this a little, then reposition it again. Yeah, so that's that. So I'm going to go to text, click on text, click on text here. So this is my text here. I'm going to select it. Uh, yeah, so resize it by dragging on this white shape around the text. So you can drag it or scroll down to font size and increase your font size whichever way you want it, right? So these are the two ways you can increase the size of your font. So let's make use of 35. So I'm going to select this font and then paste my quotes. I think I have my quotes here. So I have pasted my quotes here from the man of God I'm going to be making use of for this design. So this is my quotes. So I'm going to resize it by clicking on this icon here, right? So I'm resizing the position and then I'm going to drag it a bit up here. I think we'll have it here. So I'm going to go down to fonts, under font here to apply a new font. So click on this arrow facing upward to change the font. So I'm going to click on Poppins. I'm going to use Poppins for this. So yes, that has been changed to Poppins. That's that. So I'm going to close this. And then I'm going to scroll down to the formats, right? And then I'm going to make it italic. Yeah, so this is it. So the next thing to do here is to import my already made image. So this is the image of the man of God I want to make use of. So I'm going to position his image, drag it a little, and then position it this way, and then drag my quotes this way. Let me reduce the size of his image a little, and then position this closer to him a bit. And then the next thing I need to do is to add his name, right? So his name is let's say Apostle Femi Femi Lazarus. All right. So I'm going to position his name down here. So if I have a church logo, I could just add my church logo. That's his church logo at the top there. So that's that for quote design on Canva. So at the top, let's just look for a random logo. Let me just search for logo. Let me just search for church logo. Church logo. Let me just search for church logo here. Most of these church logo are on pro version. I think I have to look for a free one. Let's look for a free one. Wow, interesting. Oh, wow, interesting. Okay, let's see. Seems like there is no free one at all. Um, I guess I'll just have to select one of the pro. let me just target some celebration ministry. Okay, so let me have it this way. So that's that for code design. So please do well to comment, like, and share this video. So could just add designer designed by TD Creative. So as you can see, I was just clicking on the text already there and then clicking on the plus icon to duplicate the text. So TD Creative. So to add custom TD Creative. Oh, inside to put it by the side. Rotate and then position it sideways. Yeah, so that is that for this. Please do well to like, comment, and share this video. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.